Elliot.
Hey, Gavin.
Wow, how'd you know?
You're not gonna bring it on stage?
I might bring it on stage. Great. Just to eat it.
Yeah, do it.
We're not doing a panel, right?
Just a panel. Q&A.
I've done it before.
Yes, I love your buffets.
Go through this way.
But you guys are leaving today,
We live in tomorrow. I'll also be popping around.
yeah. Leaving Tuesday. Are you guys doing the top two? Oh.
She has a name. Yeah, let her.
The tubing thing?
No, I don't know what that.
I guess some people are doing tubing or the Martin.
So I've told Steve the story. It was pretty ridiculous.
You should tell it on stage.
Go first.
That's a troll. Just can you go like maybe out of the crowd?
Welcome to this. Thank you so much for coming. It's amazing that people are supporting us and showing up and liking what we're doing, and we're very excited and nervous about the coming months, and we're pumped to have you along the ride with us. I think this is basically a Q&A, so if there are any kind of cues that you would like aid.
We're not screening questions, so if you ask something that sucks, you.
Yeah. I'll still answer it, but you.
I do love that 9-level Joe that he's like, and go yourself.
And just to make it kind of fun, if you could start out, please say your name, where you're from, what your favorite Weezer album is, and then his
Oh,
favorite
wow.
Oh my god. Okay.
Just guess a color.
I'm Ryan.
All right.
I'm from Austin, or Round Rock for all the people who are from Austin. My favorite album would be Da Vinci, or Back to the Shack, or whatever.
Yeah.
I was just wondering, what's like the craziest outlandish idea that you guys haven't been able to create? Because I know you guys have so many, but like in the span of like from SourceFed to
Oh,
now.
yeah. Okay.
What
This is
the
fun.
craziest like ideas
I think
you come up with?
the thing for me, the thing that like holds us back the most is like being like, I want to make a self-sabotage. Oh, 100%. And just getting in my way emotionally. But aside from that, it's definitely like, I'm like, I want to make a post-apocalyptic love comedy. And I'm like, oh, that's a lot of money you gotta
No one's
have.
stopping you from at least writing it.
Oh, I have written it. It's fully written. But it's one of those things
Let's
that's
do a
just like,
read-through right now.
that's what, please!
Let's just do it.
Opens up. We need the rights to every Beach Boy album.
We just do sound-alikes.
Yeah. What
Wouldn't
is
it be
this?
good if we... Yeah.
It was better.
I wish they all could be Texas girls. That's pandering.
On a smaller scale, Steve and I had talked about for a while chaining ourselves to each other.
Oh my
for
God,
24
that's
hours.
such a good one.
For 24 hours.
Yeah, and then like he would like come on stage with me if I did like a set of stand-up, like just would be tied to me, and then we'd have to sleep in the same bed. But
Go to each other's therapy.
We ended up to go. Oh, that's a great idea. That's
The
so
problem
fun.
is that like we just have so much going on, and like there's so many logistic
I just don't want
things.
to do it.
But we have to.
But they
What we have
pitched
to
it
do
so
is.
excited. They were like, we got this idea, we're gonna do it. And then they thought it through and they're like, what a horrible.
I mean,
Kevin was even down. He's like, yeah, I'll be with you for 24
24
hours.
hours.
Yeah, we're gonna get Kevin we're like you can spend the night or whatever.
Well,
We're gonna have GoPros set up.
Yeah,
and
we
all
were
that
gonna
shit.
do GoPro so Kevin didn't have to
Sleep.
stay awake when we were sleeping. Yeah, that would just need a little bit of preparation, but I think we could do it.
Yeah, whatever.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Valleyfolk.
take a photo with you?
Hello.
Hello. Hi, I'm Jack from Houston, Texas. My question is, have you ever dragged a joke for so long that, like, one
Drag
of you...
Joe?
Yes. Dragged a joke for so long that, like, if one of y'all reference it now, that, like, one person will be physically upset.
I don't know about upset, but you know, the Jonathan Gay joke. I mean, it's not really like I don't think I'm personally dragging the joke, but I think it just hasn't gone away. And
It won't go away.
And-
Every video there's a comment that
Yeah.
says Jonathan Gay. Every single one.
yeah,
I still
like
think that shit's hilarious.
I think you really can find it in every video.
Yes.
Someone comments.
Someone comments. Don't you?
The coffee machine.
Gatorade is a fine drink. It helps. It has electrolytes in it, and yeah,
It's a children's drink.
it's
but
for all
I think
ages.
it's,
And
The Gatorade one might be the one that got our closest to needing what I say is a comedy code word, you know, like a nice little like just a safe word of like, hey, stop the bit or I'll hurt you. You know?
I guess you'd have to think about
Oh,
that.
I know what it is for me, and it's only because it's quite literally almost like scared me to death, is people leaving ET in random places in the office. And that's real. Like, there has literally been times where I was alone in the office, turned a corner, and was like, ah! Like, it was like full, like, palpitations, heart attack, just like, ah! And then just being, like, so angry, and also, like, immediately so just like, good one.
Dang it. I can't do it anymore, you guys. I had to pee so bad, and I came in here and almost just 100% peed my pants because of this boy. Guys, this is no. I can't.
I think Elliot is fully done with my sound effects that are too loud on the podcast. I think that's a joke that I'm dragging. I will take that to the grave with me, though. I think it's the only reason why Dynamic Banter has... Put that in my guys.
have your fun.
Hi, my name's Dane. I'm from Austin, Texas. Since you guys are now partnered with Rooster Teeth, I was curious, are you going to, because I love your voices, and I was
Thank
curious
you.
if you're like, you're welcome, wanting to do more partnerships with them, like in animation possibly, or anything like that.
1,000,000%.
Yes.
Yeah.
On every level.
I think if you guys really want that, I think voicing that on the internet would probably give us better chances.
We were at this party last night, and there's like Rooster Teeth people everywhere. And at one point, this guy comes up to me, and he's introduced me to another guy, and he's talking to me really directly, and he's talking about like animation, and I run the thing in animation, and we love you guys are doing animation. And I was like, this seems like it's an important conversation that I should be paying attention to, and he seems to be more invested in it than I am. I don't remember his name, but we'll see what happens.
That's why we don't let Elliot represent this. What's your name, sir? Ryan. Nice to meet you, man. What's your name?
We do the same thing.
Yeah, that's a good shirt. Wait, Kevin, come over here. Kevin, look at this. Hang on, careful. There you go.
We've got Valleyfolk.
Yeah. Oh, there's a Ernesto. Dude.
This is
Look
for
at this.
Oh my goodness.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? There's this guy. Oh, there's a Santa Steve cookie!
Look at that.
You have to, I'm not going to eat a single one of them.
Look at this.
That is incredible.
Yeah, Valleyfolk.
Thank you very much. Let's hold those up for the photo.
Yeah, of course. All right.
2, 1. Perfect.